What is up, Togs? We are on our way to beautiful Auburn, California to take the KTM Super Duke out on its first official twisty road ride. And on the way out, I stopped by the Rockland Harley-Davidson dealer. They were having the 2020 model open house. I was just kind of hoping that maybe they had a live wire, maybe just like on the floor, just to look at. I didn't care if, you know, if they would let you start it up, which wouldn't make any noise anyway, or what. I just wanted to see it in person. And really, I wanted to see some 2020 models in person too. But at their 2020 model open house, so it's supposed to start at 11. I got there 10 till 11. I stayed till about 11:15. They had 0 2020 models available to look at. That's pretty disappointing. They said that they have 3 in back that they were going to bring out later. But if you have a 2020 model open house and it starts at 11, I just kind of figured that they would have the models out there on the floor the whole time. Well, it won't be the first time I've been disappointed by Harley, and you know, that's fine. It's their event, they can do what they want. But I'm gonna make the most of this trip out here today, and we're gonna go out for an amazing ride, and you guys are gonna come along with me. I won't post the whole ride here, but I will definitely give you the highlights. I don't think this is the right way, but we're gonna go this way. No, this is definitely not the right way. Well, maybe it is. It's been a while since I've been out here. No, it's not, but we will find it. So anyway, not a single 2020 model in sight at the 2020 model open house. So yeah, that was disappointing. But we'll get out there, and you know, we won't have to go hopefully all the way out to Rockland to take a look at the 2020s when they're finally available to look at. And later on this year, or maybe early next year, we'll get out on a demo truck ride and we'll test ride some of them. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy old historic downtown Auburn for a little bit, and then we will, you know, it's funny, that's State Theater here in Auburn, and then they have the corner pub. In Woodland we have the State Theater and we have the corner drugstore. That's kind of funny. Coincidence? I think not. Yeah, so the batteries are all charged up here. Hopefully we make it up and the batteries survive for most of this ride. We're up in the resolution here on these cameras from 1080 to 2.7K. You know, I'm not super familiar with what that means, but I think that maybe it's gonna suck the life out of the batteries a little faster. I don't know. We'll find out. And when we find out, we will let you know how it goes. Oh, this is bad. Didn't really want to wait out in the sun though for another light. We set off a car alarm. That's funny. Here we go. We're almost there. So we finally got the plate, and I finally felt comfortable enough to take the bike out here. This was the main thing stopping me from getting out on these rides, was just kind of being paranoid that I'm out here riding without any plates. But now we have the plates, and we're just gonna let it rip. I think this is where Lincoln Highway. I think that's where I wanted to go. No? Oh. These are twisty, but this is not this is not what I wanted. Oh, that's all right. It is gorgeous though. Woo. You know, we don't get to go as fast as we get to do on that other road that I went on the way to Foresthill, but this is pretty amazing. Talking about the view. Oh, and there's the bridge right there, and maybe we will find a place to pull over and get a good look at the bridge. Oh my god, that is freaking gorgeous. I hope you guys can see this. I'm trying to stay focused on the road because I think I like this better. Go to Foresthill. That's what we want to do. Maybe we'll leave all those cars behind and we can get up to speed a little more now. Somebody's flying a drone. Oh, not that one. Oh, jeez. This one.